What? No, whoever. They're all heavy. And huge. People in Hulk life. I'm picking up all these dogs again. I'm getting too old for this. Okay. Okay. So, it's Kong. I haven't done this in a while. It's early. He's huge. This is Hulk's son, Kong. So we turned off the light and we're just using a single light on the camera. I'm gonna do Kong again. Because Lisa said it's just a bit dark when I look at the picture and it's like a shadow. Not a shadow, but if it was a bit dark. It wasn't a bit dark. That's like holy shit, it's dark type. You gotta get prepared. Ready? Okay. This is Kong. He's really big. It's early in the morning. I haven't done this in a while. Oh my god, these dogs are too big for me. Ugh. So this is Hercules. You guys remember him? Still about the same size, which is huge. So this is Dynasty. Oh my god, you remember him too? Oh, I'm too old for this now, guys. I'm too old for this. This is a big dog. This is Hulk's son. Everybody remembers Clifford. Hulk's son, Clifford. Clifford, a big red dog. Alright, so this is Netflix. Hulk's son, yeah. One of the ones that got really, really big. Okay, this is Kong. He is freaking huge. Hulk's son, I am just, this is too much for me now. But what are you going to do?
I'm gonna leave my strap.
You going to get the strap?
Yeah, I am.
Ah, bro.
Is it okay to hold him tight so he's not like jumping?
Yeah, you can't want him jumping me, but.
Good boy.
Bring him right back over there. We're gonna put it right back in here again. Settle him back down here. Keep it on. Keep it on. Settle him back down and go. Same thing. Now he has to like walk around a little It's not out here.
With the sleeve?
Yeah, but now, see how it's calm behind him and he's still working like that? You gotta pay attention because it's loose. I mean, this is how he's used to coming off the bike. So walking that way and then.
I know, I'm
Pull
trying
him
to
up
watch
now.
you and trying to watch you.
I'm over here, I'm good. Pull him up so that he gets rid of that. Because he can't do that. You can't have it like that. If he's chewing on the corner, chewing on it, chewing on it. If he's not holding it firm in his mouth, you can't have it. Just keep walking. Yeah, what I'm saying. Come here. See, like, that's what a stable dog should look like. Like a dog, when we do this type of work, like when I mean stable, that's what I mean. I mean a dog that understands the job. Like he will turn on, do what he's supposed to do, and then he will turn off and just go back to being a regular friendly dog. If you don't have this type of a dog that you're training, stop right there. You're training a liability. All you're gonna do is get yourself into trouble later on. So, prime example of like what it's supposed to look like. And if I got up right now, we could put him right back into drive and you would go right back into being civil. And I promise you this dog will bite. Like for real. And he hasn't even been that far in what he's doing. But I promise you this is a dog that will bite for real. And he's civil, like he's relaxed. I'll show you. We'll go back in there real quick and then we're gonna put him back up. So tell him to bark. See the snapping? Yeah, see the snapping? Yeah, see the teeth? Got me with sandals on today. You ready, bro?
No, my backpack.
Oh, I gotta take the backpack again? Alright, give me the backpack. And I got sandals on, bro. If you can't beat me today, oh, bro, you just... Oh, and you tried to cheat. Oh, bro, come on. I got the bag. I got the sandals. Nice hat, though, by the way. DDKLineapparel.com. Come on, bro. I'm gonna stop right here. Hurry up, run. Are you taking your shoes off? Don't leave them there. You gotta carry them. Come on, run. Go ahead, run. Come on, go, run. I'll beat you to the top. Go. Come on, bro. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. You good? Pulling up. We're about to be at brand tuning. I'll be doing a tune on my Z06. So I'm going to be doing a different tune. I'm going to do an intake, probably an X pipe, and as well as a different lower pulley. So I'm hoping to get at least 100 plus horsepower out of this. So we'll see how it goes. See how it goes. I'll show you the progress. What I'm really trying to do is get a verbal tune on this thing so it crackles and shit. So hopefully they can do that for me. Pow! Hopefully just making mad noise after we're doing. That's what I want. I seen a C7 that had a verbal tune, so I know it's possible. But I wonder if they can do it with the Z. So we're gonna find out. I'm pretty excited. We're about to pull up. My guy, you already know my guy Shaddai already up there. Yeah, so we out here. We have Brent tuning it right now. They're about to strap up this Mercy and put it on the dyno. It's crazy. As many years I've been around cars, as much as I've been in cars, I've literally I don't think I've ever been around when the car's been on a dyno. I've had a couple of my cars put on a dyno, but I wasn't even there. So I've never seen a car on a dyno ever.
Yeah, these are long process because it's so wide. I'm going to take all the dyno apart. You know, give it some room. There's not much.
Oh yeah, all-wheel drive. Is it rear or all-wheel?
This is all-wheel. It's so close to the edge that we removed the panels just in case it's wiggles a little bit.
I have to leave my car here now. Yeah, we gotta go find food. Got my car. We're leaving Victoria here. We're here. Brand tuning. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we need to find food. We need to find food. We just dropped off the car. I have no idea where we're in, Upton, Mass. I've never even heard of this place in my life. But yeah, here we are. And it seems like I'll be here a lot moving forward. So I'll put the address into the memo bar. All right, yeah. I thought there might have been a drop off right there, but there's fully not. We're good to go. Man, when you go from driving a sweet car to a beater, it sucks. It sucks.